That's what that was. Holy shit. Up, up. Make sure it doesn't get caught.
Almost there. If it goes a little bit higher, would this not get a little bit closer to the tower?
The higher it gets, the more difficult it's going to be to get this off. It's off.
You got it?
Up slow.
Don't go anywhere. I'm either put faith in you, buddy.
Tell me when you're good.
It's not level right now.
We don't have to worry about that.
What if you kick the pole away from you this way?
That's what I'm trying to do right now. You're gonna have to get yours on first then. I won't be able to get mine out. Alright.
Okay, hang on right there. Back up a little bit. To the tower.
Yeah. Up, up!
Okay, grab it here.
Yeah, should be okay.
Thanks for the heads
Up, up! Hold! Alright. So yeah, we'll just do the one for now.
So we'll make sure you have enough thread on yours.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I've known her since I was maybe, since I was 18 or something.
Okay. Let's get this in.
Mike! How's it looking?